Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a buy trade on step index and the signal was shared with my premium members. So I was able to see this buy opportunity at this point. Was my market analysis, and you can see I'm moving in good profits. The trade is moving nicely well. So firstly, I went to the higher time frame, as I always do. It can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame. So on the daily time frame on step index, I identified the market structure. I zoomed out on the chart and saw the market direction. Saw the overall market direction. That was the first thing I look out for, where the market is headed to. And you can tell the market is in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. I identified the market structure as usual. We got the highs at this point. We got the high, but a lower high at this level. We got another high as well, but a lower high. We got series of lower highs and lower lows. And this market formation is giving the market a downward direction, putting the market in a downtrend. So we got the last lower high at this point, which we spotted and identified. We got a low at this point as well. Make sure you identify the market direction. So we got a low at this point as well, a lower low. We got a low here too, and we got the last low at this point. This is the last low basically. So on the day time frame on step index, there was a bullish engulfing candle formation which the market formed at this point, and I was expecting a reversal basically on this index. I've been looking out for possible buys on step index for days now. So on how we got this last sell-off at this point, we got the market sell from this current level to the downside on step index. I was expecting a reversal at this support level. Basically, there was a support level at the, let's clear this thing. So there was a support level at this point on step index. There was a support level here. So my expectations was for the market to buy on the test of this support level. Like as we got at this point, we got the first buys here, we got the second buys here, and I was expecting the buys basically at this point, but the market failed to buy on the test of this level. We got the market sell to the downside. This is like a fake breakout of the support level, stopping out some buyers at this point, but didn't really get into the trade. I waited for a couple of confirmations to buy step index on this level. So I went to the next time frame, the 4 hour time frame, to have a clear view of the market. So on the 4 hour time frame, I saw the market's direction at this point. We had a downward market direction at this zone. The market was heading to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. So there was a downtrend basically. There was a downtrend formation at this point. So I identified it and made sure there was a break of trend here, which we got. So we got a break of this downtrend. We got a break of this downtrend. So the market shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend, which is one of the confirmations I was looking out for. But at this point of support, we got the first buys and the second buys, and the third buys we are supposed to get at this zone, but the market failed. So my confirmations was this downward trend. I was expecting it to get broken, which is got at this zone. There was a break of this downtrend at this point. So on how we got the break of this downtrend, we got a retest on it. This gave us a reversal pattern formation. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. We got this left shoulder formation at this point. The struggles of the buys at this zone, which got filled, gave us a left shoulder formation at this zone. So we got the head basically at this point. We got the head of this pattern formation at this zone. Then we got the right shoulder at this point, which the market formed. We got the right shoulder at this zone, which I also identified. So this formation gave me the buy idea on step index. I knew the buyers are coming into the market, and how we got a break of this downtrend and a reversal pattern formation that appeared on the market at this zone. So after identifying the market structure on the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame, I went to the 1 hour time frame to have my levels and market structure identified properly. So on the 1 hour time frame on step index, I saw the market was creating a bullish structure, which is what I needed. The market started creating these higher lows and higher highs. We got the first low at this point. Let's clear this to identify it properly. So we got the first low at this zone basically. We got the second low at this zone, but a higher low, and we got the third low at this zone and the higher low. So this is a bullish structure I needed to get into the trade. I needed for the buys confirmations. So we got the last higher low at this point. Now we got a high at this zone. So the market has shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. We got a high at that point. We got another high basically at this zone. We got the last highs at this point. So there was a shift of market trend from a downtrend, which we identified at this zone, from a downtrend market here to an uptrend market. So let's identify this market structure as well. Let's identify it with our trend line too. So the markets have shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we're now in an uptrend at this point. So after identifying the market structure on the 1 hour time frame as well, the market trend, I identified a level. I spotted a level, a key level, which I took note of. So this is the level of resistance. This level was the resistance level at this point. So I'm not sure I can expand this here because of the trade we are in. I've taken partials in this trade basically, and I'm likely to move my stop loss above my entry to be safe in the trade. So the buys expected on step index, more buys expected in the coming hours and minutes on this index, because the daily time frame candle is looking bullish, very bullish. So this bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame on step index. So the buys expected at least to this green line. So long-term buys in the coming days, probably this week, is likely to be bullish on step index. So the buys expected. So I identified the market structure on the 1 hour time frame, identified the market trend, and spotted this key level. I needed the market to break out of. So we had a level of resistance at this point, a resistance at this zone, a resistance at this zone, and still resistance at this point. So I needed the market to break out of this level, out of this resistance level, as well as the neckline of this pattern formation. So we got the breakout of it at this point. We got the breakout of this resistance level, which I took my buys at, but on a lower time frame. I went to the 15-minute time frame and made sure we had a reversal pattern formation at this point, which we got. So we got a double bottom formation here. We got the first low here basically, and the second low. This pure price action market approach, working with the market's movement, trading alongside with the market's movement. Yeah, so we got the second low at this point. This is a double bottom formation. So I needed the market to give a move to the upside, a kind of a bullish engulfing candle formation at this zone. So we got one here, we got this bullish engulfing candle here. So I took my buys on the close of this candle. You can see where I got my entry. My trade is moving in good profit. I'm moving nicely well in profit. I got my first TP here basically, and it got smashed. My first TP got smashed. My second TP is at these highs, the highs at this point. Got my second TP here basically, and I've taken partial still. So I'm kind of safe in the trade because I'm moving my stop loss above my entry on the end of this video. So we're moving in good profit, just moving nicely. With my second TP at this point, first TP got smashed, second TP likely to get smashed as well. The overall buy target level is at this point. Overall buy target level is at this zone on step index. This is the key target level on this index. More buys expected on step index. So that's how I took the trade, and the signal was shared as well with my premium members. I'm moving in good profit. So that's it, guys. Drop a good comment on this market analysis and trade review, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for this engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have enough for the peace.